Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of MEXC Global, an innovative cryptocurrency exchange that's making waves in the digital asset market. Overview of MEXC Global, an innovative cryptocurrency exchange. MEXC Global provides a platform for users to trade a wide array of cryptocurrencies, with features tailored to both beginners and experienced traders. One of the standout aspects of MEXC Global is its user-friendly interface, which makes navigating the complex world of crypto trading seamless and enjoyable. Wide array of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and new altcoins. Whether you're looking to invest in popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or discover new altcoins, MEXC Global has something for everyone. The exchange offers competitive trading fees, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. Additionally, MEXC provides advanced trading tools, allowing users to execute trades with precision and ease. Unlock benefits with referral code 12K4M5. Discounts and promotions. But hold on, there's more. By using our exclusive referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock additional benefits on the platform. These perks can include discounts on trading fees, exclusive access to new features, and various promotions tailor-made for our community. It's an opportunity to enhance your trading experience and maximize your returns. Security measures, protecting your assets on MEXC Global. Moreover, MEXC Global prides itself on security. With robust measures in place, you can rest assured that your assets are protected with top-notch security protocols. This gives you peace of mind while you explore the exciting possibilities that cryptocurrencies offer. Summary: why MEXC Global is the right choice for you. In summary, MEXC Global is an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into the cryptocurrency world. It combines a user-friendly platform with advanced trading tools and competitive pricing. Call to action: use code 12K4M5 for a better trading experience. Don't forget to take advantage of our referral code 12K4M5 feet to amplify your journey on MEXC Global. Outro. Like, subscribe, and happy trading. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more insightful content. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.